Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the Hevy workout application and the website with a full beginner guide for 2026. So if you want to track your workouts properly and stay consistent in the gym or at home, this app can make things much easier for you. So here is how you can get started with it. So first of all, you can either download the Hevy Workout application from the Google Play Store or App Store, or you can also just simply access it via your web browser. So the domain name of the Hevy Workout application is hevy.com with E in it. So when you are here on Hevy, you just have to create your free account, and this is the type of interface that you are going to get in it. So here we have the option of routines. So here click on the option of routines, then click on the option of new routine. Over here you can basically select your routine. So for example, let's say I want to go to the gym in the morning, so I'm going to type morning routine. In the right hand section you are going to see the library that includes all of the equipments. So if you have any of the equipments from these list, you can select that. For example, let's say you want to do the exercise based on the pair of dumbbells that you have, so simply select the option of dumbbell. Then it is going to filter out all of the exercise based on the equipment that you have selected. If you want to target any of the specific muscle group, for example abdominals, shoulders, biceps, triceps, you can also filter it out with that. So for example, let's say I want to do the biceps exercise with dumbbells. So now it has given me all of the popular exercises plus all of the exercises that I can perform. So I'm going to go with the popular ones. So when you click on this plus icon, it will be added in your morning routine and it is going to look something like this. So let's say the second exercise that I want to add here is relating to triceps. So after selecting the triceps over here, I've added this exercise over here. So this way I have created my morning routine, and in it I've added two exercises, bicep curls and the skull crusher. So you can also basically select your routine part and you can add as many exercises as you want to perform. Afterwards, click on the option of save routine on the top right hand corner of the screen, and there you go, you have your routine ready. Now you can just right away in the morning click on it, and then you can basically start performing these in your gym. They also have the exercises tab in which you will see all of the exercises. Again, you can filter it out based on the equipments that you have and based on the muscle group that you want to target. From the left hand section you can also make changes into the profiles and the settings, but I think if you want to use the application for your workouts, you don't even need them. You are going to see all of the routines and the exercises over here, and the best part is that you can start using it absolutely for free. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.